Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
The information that we have at this point in time, of course, is that, the building that has caught fire, and the fire, of course, it's smoke billowing, of course, from the top two floors. This building, which is known as the Metro House, is there located in Colaba Causeway, a building which is in the vicinity of Taj Mahal Hotel. And the call that, the fire call has come just a short while back, and they are categorizing it as number one category. Of course, taking it a lot of seriousness. Right now, we can't see the flames coming out of this building, but a lot of smoke billowing out of this building. And we do not know right now, and I'm saying this again, we do not have any information about whether people are trapped inside or not. We've been speaking to the fire officers, and they say that they themselves right now are, too busy battling out this fire. They would not have time to even check and tell exactly what the situation is there inside. Difficult to ascertain, but by the looks of it, it is quite clear. It perhaps would be not wrong to assume that there were people inside this building. Have they been able to evacuate in time? We do not have that confirmation right now. Right now, of course, the entire process of putting out the blaze is going on. More and more fire engines being sent there. But, if I have to give you an understanding of where this building is located, then it's a very, very crowded street of Colaba Causeway. And for even fire-tending engines to go and stand, if you have like two fire engines standing by the roadside, the entire road would get jammed. So that's the problem that the fire department is dealing with right now. And since it's the top two floors, these are not the bottom two floors for them to be easy to evacuate people. It's the top two floors from where the smoke is billowing. Of course, makes their job even more difficult. Right.